In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a questionnaire in HoneyBook. To get started, log into your HoneyBook account and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're in, the first thing you'll want to do is open the project where you plan to send the questionnaire. This is important because questionnaires in HoneyBook are usually created within a specific client project, which helps keep everything organized and easy to manage. After opening the correct project, look for the option that says Create File and click on it. This is where HoneyBook lets you build different types of client-facing documents and forms. From the available options, select Questionnaire. That will take you into the setup process for creating the form your client will fill out. Next, you'll choose whether you want to use a template or start from scratch. If you want to save time, a template can give you a helpful structure to begin with. If you have very specific questions in mind or want full control over the layout, starting from scratch may be the better choice. Either option works, so pick the one that best matches your workflow. Once you've made that choice, enter a name for your questionnaire. Use a title that makes it easy for both you and your client to understand what the form is for. A clear name can help avoid confusion later, especially if you create multiple questionnaires for different stages of a project. Now it's time to add the questions you want your client to answer. As you build the questionnaire, think carefully about the information you actually need. Keep your wording simple and direct, so it's easy for your client to respond accurately. The more clear your questions are, the more useful the answers will be. If there are certain questions your client must answer before submitting the form, make sure to mark those as required. This is a helpful way to make sure you receive the essential details you need without having to follow up later for missing information. When everything is added, click Save. This stores your progress and lets you move on to the final review. Before sending anything, take a moment to review the questionnaire carefully. Read through the name, check the questions, and confirm that the required fields are set correctly. A quick review can help catch small mistakes before your client sees the form. Once you're happy with everything, click Share to send the questionnaire to your client. That's it. You've successfully created and shared a questionnaire in HoneyBook. Thanks for watching.